Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Are you tired of your countertops and dresser tops turning into catch-alls? Well, I've found that this acrylic makeup organizer from Rosoenvi has been the perfect organizational tool so that I can keep things uncluttered and easy to find. Just look at how amazingly versatile this stackable organizer is. So there's 3 different drawers and they're all self-contained. I love that because that means that I don't have to stack them. I could put them one by one across my countertop. I could put 2 together, 3, it doesn't matter. And the top portion is also removable. So you can stack it obviously on top of the other drawers, and that makes a really nice compact area for you to find all your things. Or you could do like I did, which is to have like my brushes, my lipsticks, some of my hair care products, lotions on that top tray. And then I can pick it up and move just that around, which I really, really like the versatility of. Also, let's talk about this color. This is green. I love it. It also has these beautiful diamond patterns on the side and the back, and it gives it such a nice texture and the light bounces off of it. I just really like that. And I think the knobs on the drawers are so cute. I love that they have a beveled look to them, and it's such a nice contrast to have the gold with the emerald color. I just think it's gorgeous. I think this is a great stackable makeup organizer because it can do more than just organize makeup. You can use it for all your little odds and ends as well to keep track of them. It's really helping to keep my countertops clean and organized, and that's my point of view.